See that
Well, they're alright, Jack. None hitting the ground.
that one there does.
Does it?
Yeah, I think dumplings, but I think that's the dumpling.
But they all
the
will
flipper,
eventually. See, especially that over there.
Yeah.
It's going to hit the ground shortly.
Yeah, I think a lot of these support run bars don't really last very long, I don't think, because they're very large barriers.
As I told you,
Yeah.
too short a distance there. That's fully tightened up there, so it'll go.
Yeah.
So you'd have to take that off. Shorten this cable coming. And hook it onto that. And then they'll have, they can tighten up again. A good job.
So it will be the same for that one up there. That could have banning bars soon one day as well.
Yeah. You can adjust them, like, because they're fully adjusted.
I know they are.
At least it's not raining, Jack, for a while.
I know, and it's so quiet here too. I think this has actually been the quietest we've ever been, I think. You know, I love the fact that they made these two set off at the exact same time, you know?
What's that?
I love the fact that they made those two set off at the exact same time. The station doesn't. That's why, and then when it's off on top of these two would just set off. And then if it's coming this way, and then when it's near a train station, that one I would just set off. Your train already.